Hi, today I will talk about the AUKUS initiative, that how the AUKUS initiative poses challenges to India in the Indo-Pacific region. So myself Ahmad, and once again I welcome to all of you on my channel UPSC Knowledge Network. AUKUS initiative launched by the US, UK and Australia as a security alliance focused on Indo-Pacific region, especially for countering China in the Indo-Pacific region. The primary objective of AUKUS is enable transfer of nuclear power submarine technology from US to Australia. It is a highly military technology. That's why it is said that the country possesses the nuclear power submarine, look it as a strategic asset. That's why many experts consider that the US is transferring this critical technology to Australia as counter to China in the Indo-Pacific region. So let's see that the how AUKUS initiative poses challenges to India in the Indo-Pacific region. First, India might start facing more aggressive China in the Indo-Pacific region. Second, China might start transferring a sensitive nuclear technology to Pakistan, which directly compromises Indian security and a strategic interest of India in the Indo-Pacific region. That's why it is said that India might have become a victim of economic warfare due to the competition between the military industry of US and France. And according to many experts, the US might be trying to set up the Australia as the net security provider in the Indo-Pacific region, and this would direct contradict India's ambition in the Indo-Pacific region, because under the Saga doctrine and the Indo-Pacific vision of India, it is India which is projected itself as the net security provider in the Indo-Pacific region. So let's see if the question would be like this, that the how AUKUS initiative leave India in the Indo-Pacific region, that how we will counter such types of the question in the mains answer writing. Since India was reluctant and hesitant to take up any military role under the Quad, that's why it is said that the US has moved away from Quad and established a parallel military management where Australia would be set up as the net security provider in the Indo-Pacific region in order to direct counter Chinese aggression in the Indo-Pacific region. And let's see that why does India not take up any military role under the Quad? Only because of two reasons, that India does not want to be take any military role under the Quad. First, India is always followed an independent foreign policy. That's why India is always stayed away from any military alliance. Second, India is the only country amongst Quad which shares the disputed land border with the China. So if you like this initiative and if you want that I should make more videos related to the mains answer writing, that you can support my channel UPSC Knowledge Network. And thanks for watching.